Hello, TypeSwice here. In today's video I'll be showing you how to change a specific color in an image in Photoshop. So without further ado, let's get right into it. I've opened this image in Photoshop, and as you can see there is this green door, and let's say we want to change this specific green color to another color. This can be done really easy without creating a mask or use the pen tool. So let me show you how to do this. The first thing you want to do is to open the image you want to change a specific color of. So I have done that, as you can see right here. And if you go down to the layers panel, you can see your image layer right here. Let's just unlock this by just clicking on this lock right here. From here we want to create an adjustment layer so we can select the specific color and change it. Do that by selecting your image layer right here and go down to the adjustment layer, this little dot right here, and just press on it and go up here and choose Hue Saturation. And as you can see, this menu pops up. In here you can choose what color you would like to change. The easiest thing is to press on this icon right here, and just by clicking on the specific color you would like to change. And in this example, this is the door. So let's just press right here. Now you can go back to your Hue Saturation layer and you can drag on this. Let's change this to a more blue color, just like this. If you go down to the saturation, you can also drag this. You can make it more dark or more light. And here you can also adjust the lightness of the specific color you have chosen. As said before, you can also just choose the color you would like to change if you go in this menu right here. And if you just choose the cyans right here, you can do the same thing. You can also do another thing. If you just press on this and select the door again, and just clicking on the color you would like to change and just drag right here, you can also choose the saturation, just as you would like. And as you can see, the change will be made here as well. And that is how you change a specific color in an image in Photoshop. And because we made an adjustment layer, we can always go back to the original. This is also called working non-destructive. So if you uncheck this preview right here, we can see that we still have our original image. And if we check this on again, we can now see the Hue Saturation layer we just created. Thank you so much for watching. I hope this video was helpful. Don't forget to subscribe and like the video and comment down below what video we should do next time. That was all for now. See you in the next one.